my dear teachers and friends. I am Sahil Srivastava, class 7B, and today I am telling about our NCERT science book chapter Transportation of Animals and Plants.
So, you know that all organisms need food, water, and oxygen for survival, and they need to transport all these to various parts of their body. Further, animals need to transport wastes to part from where they can be removed. Have you wondered how all this is achieved? Look at figure. Do you see the heart and the blood vessels? They function to transport substances and together from the circulatory system. Circulatory system, and in circulatory system we have learned about blood. What happens when you get a cut on your body while playing? Blood flows out. But what is blood? Blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessels. It transports substances like digested food from the small intestine to the other parts of the body. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. It also transports waste for removal from the body. Then the question make, how does the blood carry various substances? Because blood is composed of fluid called plasma in which different types of cells are suspended. Then the question make, why is the color of blood is red? Because blood contain a red pigment called hemoglobin, and there are two types of blood cells. First, RBC, red blood cells, and second, WBC, white blood cells. RBC, red blood cells, contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transport it to all the parts of body and ultimately to all the cells. WBC, white blood cells, fight against germs that may enter our body. Rahul fell down while playing a game and his knee got injured. Blood was coming out from the cut. After some time, he noticed that bleeding had stopped and dark red clot had plugged the cut. Rahul was puzzled about this because the clot is formed because of the presence of another type of cell in the blood called platelets. Vessels. There are different types of blood vessels in the body. You know that during inhalation, a fresh supply of oxygen fills the lungs. Oxygen has to be transported to all of the body. Also, the blood picks up the waste material including carbon dioxide from the cells. This blood has to go back to the heart for transport to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide. So, two types of blood vessels are arteries and veins. That arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of body, and veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from the all part of body back to the heart. Look at the figure. What happened? Pulmonary vein take oxygen rich blood from lungs to the heart, and pulmonary arteries take carbon dioxide rich blood from heart to the lungs. From heart, artery take oxygen rich blood to the capillaries. What is capillaries? Capillaries are extremely thin tubes. And from capillaries, veins take carbon dioxide rich blood to the heart.